What's going on, YouTube land? I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but I've been busy with work, working out, and being lazy. Those are the three priorities that I had so far. But I'm here just to let you know that I'll be making more videos. I got some new Christmas parts that I ordered from Newegg, Performance PCs, Amazon, and other places. Yeah, but just letting you know, I got some cool goodies for you guys. Well, basically for me, because it's my Christmas present. I'm not giving it to you guys. Anyways, I'm just letting you know that I'm gonna put some videos up. I'm gonna do individual unboxing of each one, maybe, and show you what I got. Alright, thank you. Stay tuned. Peace, deuces, later.